Hey guys, welcome back to another Typescript tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to be talking about the TSConfig, how to set it up, and some options which you can use. So I'm just going to go to my Typescript file over here, script.ts, and you'll notice in the last tutorial I actually showed you guys how to compile this to JavaScript. So all we do is write npx tscscript.ts, and this should actually just compile it to JavaScript. But you might want to have a bit more control over this, because you'll notice that all this does is it just compiles this how the predefined with the predefined options. So to get that control, what you can do is you can run npx tsc and then double slash or double dash, that's what I meant, double dash in it, and if we select that, you should actually see that this file called tsconfig.json gets compiled. So I'm just going to leave this here actually, and in this you can actually control a lot of things. So if we want to not remove comments, set this to false, and now let's add a comment, or let's just say here is a comment, and yeah, let's just compile this again, and we should see that the comment actually shows up here, just like that. So that's good. We can also do things like changing the target, which is interesting. So you'll notice if I just leave it blank, it's going to give me an error. You can only do these ones, and let's say we want to use ES3, which is the lowest it can go. So you'll notice ES3 code actually looks very different to regular JavaScript. So if I run this, well, not regular, but one way to show this is to use async. Oh wait, so let's just say async function equals async like this, and I guess it's not gonna let me work, so we can actually just include this in our lib just like this, and now this error should go, I believe. And yeah, the library tag also lets you import different libraries from the console thing. So like this, that should be right. Okay, yeah. So yeah, let me just make an async function here, and let's just say we'll use the fetch API. So const response equals await fetch, and then let's just put nothing in there. So if we compile this again to JavaScript, we should see that we get some really funny looking async await, because it's basically just trying to replicate async await in original ES3 JavaScript. So it looks really different from regular TypeScript like this, and this is useful because it allows you to actually export your code to much lower versions, because if you didn't have this, then anyone running ES3 JavaScript wouldn't be able to use your code, and it would just not work. So yeah, we can just basically, what you want to do is you want to ignore this script.js file. You could just let TypeScript handle everything. There usually isn't any problems with that kind of thing, and yeah, you can just focus on your TypeScript. So this is how you use the TSConfig. Just type in npx tsc -- init, and you should get this, and then these actually tell you what all of these mean, so you can use them yourself. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in a future tutorial. Bye.